Tammy Anderson, and I'm the owner and operator of Super Kids Junior Academy from Bismarck, North Dakota. Inspire Care 360 has helped us to offer benefits to our staff. And so since joining Inspire Care 360, we have been able to offer health insurance and also some of those added dental, vision, life insurance, those types of things also. So it's been a huge benefit to our staff. The other thing that Inspire Care 360 has was able to help us switch our food provider. And so we are saving probably close to $1,000 a month just by using a new provider that we found through Inspire Care 360. Anything we order from Discount School Supply. So we've had classroom supplies, some classroom furniture we've purchased, things like that. But also our food that we use in our kitchen is probably the most immense savings that we have found. We do place a huge order every 2 weeks. And so, like I said, we probably have saved over $1,000 a month just in our food ordering through the group savings plan. The people that we have working with us now through our new food program have been so much more communicative, and the delivery process is very easy. Every morning, delivery morning, they will send me an email with an updated window of time, and so they come within that 2-hour time period, which helps us plan to know when those deliveries are going to happen, which makes it easier, obviously, when we're serving food in our kitchen to know if a delivery is coming in at 11:30 during mealtime versus when it normally would come in at 10 o'clock. So, yeah. We've only been using our new food services people since October, but already with the substantial savings, I'm anticipating close to $10,000 a year savings. The program was so easy to get set up. Inspire Care 360 did most of the legwork for us and had somebody call us. And within that same week, we had our sales rep come and talk to me to introduce himself and get us set up online. And then we just went on from there. And we've had great communication from our salesperson through the new company. It's been really good. They have an online ordering platform that is so much easier to use than our old vendor. And also, we've had so many compliments on the food that we have received. The meatballs have just been amazing. When we started the new meatballs for the first time, everybody thought we had a new recipe for our meatballs. But yeah, just a new vendor. So we've had many compliments with even just the quality of the food. Currently, we have not had any issues at all with our new company. In fact, our sales rep moved into a new position in the company, and so we had a new sales rep. He brought the new sales rep in, introduced him, which is more than what has happened. We were with our other company for over 16 years, and when we stopped ordering with them and went to the new company, nobody has contacted us yet since October. So we haven't ordered with them since October, and they have still not had anyone contact us. So kind of goes to show you how important of a customer we were to them. Not very. So we've had more communication with the new company, the new vendor, than we have had with our old vendor that we had been with for 16 years. Well, obviously, the savings of money is probably the biggest part of it, but just the ease of use. When we went to order from Discount School Supply, I was like, do we need to call somebody? Nope, there's just this little code that you get to use, and you get that discount anytime you use it. When we started ordering with Cisco for our food services now, Inspire Care 360 took over all the legwork, so we don't have to even put a code in every single time. It's just our customer number is our savings plan. Well, at the time, we weren't offering any type of health plan for our staff because of the cost of all the programs that we found locally. And that was one of the reasons why we started with InspireCare 360, because we saw the Healthy Advantage option that you have, and wanted to give it a try to see, just so our staff that do need those benefits had that option. Honestly, I was. We have a lot of married people that get in health insurance from their spouses. We have a lot of under 26-year-olds that work for us, so they're still on their parents' plan. So I wasn't sure just how much interest we would have. But honestly, the first year there was just like a handful, but when we did our renewal, we actually had quite a few more people join. So that was good. I was surprised and happy that we're able to offer this benefit for them. Yes, for medical, they found it very easy. There's a couple that were with the vision plan. There wasn't as many in our network here in our area. So a couple people had to do some changing and things like that. So that was a little change for them for both dental and vision. But they were able to find people that worked with Colonial Life. Yes. And so far, everybody that has used it has had very good luck with it. We did have one person that, and I'm not sure, it says it written as far as the dental that there's the 1-year waiting period for major work, but I don't think it was explained to them well enough when we took it. And so she had some major work done before her 1 year was up. And so, had a little issue there. But other than that, we haven't had anybody that has had any issues. I would say definitely retain staff. A lot of our full-time staff have been with us for such a long time that we don't necessarily have to replace them. And so our part-time staff that are coming in are mostly younger people. And so right now that's kind of the least of their, so as far as recruiting, it hasn't been a big recruiter for us yet. But I'm not saying that it won't be in the future. Oh, yes, definitely. That has been besides, the cost savings we found in the group savings plan, that has been probably our biggest benefit of InspireCare 360 is being able to offer that Healthy Advantage. I feel like it has helped our staff. The ones that would have left us probably because we don't have those benefits, we've been able to retain them. So yes, definitely, I would say it has helped our staff in that way. I feel very blessed that we came across InspireCare 360 because, I had people calling me for quite a while before we actually decided to join forces with you. And I guess I didn't realize what we were missing out on in that fact. Plus, I like the different options and levels of plans that you have because it's not always... not everybody can afford to go all in. And so there is an option if you just want to meet with you once a month and just need the Healthy Advantage and the group savings. It's there's lots of different options available to still be able to make it feasible for any size of center. It has. Like I said, with that, just the group savings plan, even though for the most part we're using it mainly just for our food has gotten so expensive. And so just having that option of having the group savings plan to help us out for that is, I mean, because we're not on a food program because we're a for-profit center, so we don't meet the qualifications for the state of North Dakota to be in the food program. And food is probably, besides payroll, food is one of our highest expenses. So any type of savings that we can get from that, and so far the amount that we have saved is definitely paying for our membership in IC360. Yes, definitely, I would.